Rear view cameras are a real lifesaver when it comes to backing up or reverse parking. But snow, ice, dust, and dirt can block the lens, making it harder to see what's behind you, and that can cause accidents. When I made this video, we just had a lot of snow and ice here, and my backup camera screen looks like this. There are places on it that are darkened, that are blurry, and that obscure what I'm trying to see behind me. So, since mine happens to really need it, let's look at how to clean a backup camera. It's very simple, and you only need a few things. Here's what I normally use: a spray bottle of water, a clean microfiber cloth, which is much better than a regular cloth or towel, mainly because it's very soft, lint-free, highly absorbent, and effectively removes dirt and oils without scratching the delicate lens surface, and it leaves a streak-free finish behind. And I also use a regular cleaning cloth or even a shop towel. The first thing to do is find your camera. Now that seems very basic, but in case you've never had the need to look for it, locate your camera. Backup cameras are normally located near the center of the rear of the vehicle, often just above the license plate or close to the trunk release, and fastened under an edge of a body panel. So this is where mine is at, attached under here just above the license plate. Let's take a close look at the camera. It looks horrible. Its outer protective lens is covered in dirt, mud, and probably a little road salt too. It's amazing that I have any view at all. When it's really dirty and gritty like this, you don't want to just wipe a cloth across the lens to get all that off. What's on there are small rough pieces of dirt and grit. And if you wipe even a soft microfiber cloth across it, there's a good chance you'll drag some of that grit across the lens and scratch it and degrade the image it shows you. So in a case like this, it's best to first use a spray bottle of water to get the dirt off of the camera. Spray it several times if it needs it, and when it's cleared off, then use the microfiber cloth to finish cleaning and drying it, and wipe the lens in a circular motion as you clean it. Once the lens is clean, then use a regular cloth to clean the area around the camera, getting rid of any dirt, ice, etc. that might fall down or drip down and get back onto the camera if left there. So clean around that whole area. If there are still leftover deposits on the camera, you can also use camera lens cleaning wipes on your backup camera. These are pre-moistened with a safe cleaning solution that helps lift and remove dust and dirt. I keep some of these in my vehicle as well as in my camera bag. There's also spray cleaners made specifically for camera lenses that are safe to use, and you would spray these on a microfiber cloth to clean the backup camera lens. But most of the time, the simple spray bottle and clean microfiber cloth work great for me. These are what I consider the best methods to use to clean your vehicle's camera or cameras safely without damaging them. But don't be tempted to use any of these types of products to clean your camera. They might work good on glass windows or headlights, but they contain ingredients that aren't meant to clean a camera lens. Backup camera lenses normally have a thin coating on them, typically an anti-reflective coating to reduce glare and improve image quality in various lighting conditions. This is similar to the coatings found on other camera lenses. This coating can be removed or damaged by using normal glass cleaning products. Don't use anything to clean your backup camera that you wouldn't use to clean the lens of a good camera. That being said, if you're in a situation where you don't have access to a spray bottle, microfiber cloth, lens wipes, or camera lens spray, and you absolutely have to have your camera cleaned off right away, then use what you have at hand. Something is better than nothing. If the lens is really dirty like mine was, at least try to splash some water on it before wiping it, and use the softest material you can find to actually clean the lens. That could be a shirt tail, a t-shirt, or a soft cloth. Scratchy sweaters are definitely out though. Before we wrap it up, here's a few bonus tips to keep your camera in top shape. Clean your camera regularly, especially after driving in rain, mud, or snow. You can even make it a routine to check it every time you fill up with gas, and especially check it before going on a road trip. If your camera has built-in cleaning features like a washer or wiper, use them. Yes, some cars do have such things. Mine doesn't. A car wash might do some cleaning of the backup camera for you, but afterwards, it's a good idea to remember to wipe the lens clean of any water droplets or soap residue to avoid leaving visible spots on the camera's lens and the resulting image. And while you're at it, clean the backup camera screen so that smudges on it aren't degrading the image your now very clean backup camera is sending it. And there you have it. A clean backup camera can mean safer driving and peace of mind. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and drive safe.